Now it's home, this little scooter bastard. Piece of crap. Not much to show the world, but well, I think I can put it down in parts. It has I got some few pieces with me in the per case of a bit over 100 bucks, 100 USD in total cost and transportation of it. I got a performance exhaust, here, broken off flange to the cylinder. Easy fix for someone with a welder. I got a stock carburetor, stock cylinder, stock cylinder head in the price, some tools, some broken plastic, and it's a 70cc cylinder on it right now. The engine is, well, I don't know what the problem is, but it can it's broken anyways, not worth fixing. So I will scrap it down to sell it in parts. I will hopefully make up the purchase price and then make some money out of it. And I will show you some more when I have better lighting and when I am done taking it apart. It's a bit cold here in Sweden, about 50 minus Celsius. So let's see how it goes. Can I make money or do I get broke? 3 hours and 1 empty frame. I hate this camera, bad lighting. I got some parts down. The clutch cover, front light, carburetor, cylinder head, cylinder. But the cylinder is no. Going to the scrap bin. Not worth selling. Too crappy. Some lights and the front brake system. Well, it's an empty frame in 3 hours. So I will clean up some parts and then I will go to bed and get up early tomorrow and start stripping down the engine. The piston bolt bearing was bad, so it fucked up the cylinder and the piston. So cheap brand, or is all cheap brand, not very expensive new, so I don't take it so hard. I think I will make up my money anyways. Maybe not so much because the performance exhaust is broken off. So somebody with a welder maybe get it where I can fix it up or something. So I will show you better tomorrow when it's better light. So, or well, for me it's tomorrow, for you it's right after this. In a bit over 3 hours, with the wrench I have this left to take apart, the engine and the rear wheel. Here we have the front wheel and the fork. And here we have the garbage plastic that is broken and shit. And here we have the steel scrap that it has given me. One frame, only the frame left in a bit over 3 hours. Soon I will start more to clean the parts, and then I'll start listing some little parts tonight on auction. This is a 4-stroke exhaust that the idiots had put on it. The electrical system is going to be scrapped. It's well, it's not idiot proof. They have twisted together the wires, cut some wires. Well, they have done many stupid stuff. So this had the company tonight, buy some parts. So I will keep on going so I can start listing things tonight.